This is iOS Gaming, and today I'm making a new video, but this time on FIFA 16 Ultimate Team. As many of you guys may know, the most important stats in a player of FIFA 16 Ultimate Team are physical, speed or pace, and shooting. For example, the best player I have that has those things, which is an actual beast, and I recommend you guys to buy him, is this guy right here. Iago Aspas. He just cost me 2,600 coins, and he has incredible pace, incredible dribbling, incredible physical, incredible shooting, and incredible passing. He is really easy to find. According to me, the most important things to do in FIFA 16 is first completing this little achievement here. Forza Barça, which is much easier because they give you a free gold Barcelona player. So you just try to score with him 10 times in the Bronze Cup, and it's really easy. The next thing I recommend you to do is making a team of the FL Championship, because this is one of the most important achievements right here, which is the easiest to make. FL Championship, and also England's BPL and Spanish La Liga. Well, I hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Bye.